Yeah.
It's my show.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl with Dominic. Okay guys, so I just want to do a quick intro over here. I'm Daddy's place and my family house. Yes, so I just want to tell you guys that we have reconciled, understand, and I will gist you the full story later. But today, look at my brother, he's smiling. See the way he smile. Tell us how they find money. Tell me say, now everybody they find money. So that is my elder brother, by the way. Say hi. We'll just chat. No, no deal. Before they will break my phone. So I just said, let me tell you guys that we have reconciled, and I'll give you guys the full gist and everything. So, but right now, mommy have gone out. No, she was not feeling that fine. Maybe she's inside. Daddy have gone out. So maybe I will just use this opportunity to just do business tour, like my daddy's and working place, like his workshop. My dad is a carpenter, if you don't know. It's not a furniture, it's a carpenter. So I'll just show you guys. I'll just do a little tour on how the business look like. And besides, if you want to know, that bush bar that I showed you guys during Christmas time, so this is my brother that owns that bush bar. So you don't want to say hello because he's scared that I don't know, he's just busy with his phone. Always busy with his phone anyway. This is my daddy's workshop. I told you my dad is a furniture. I came from a family of furniture. So this is my daddy workshop. This is my daddy over here. Daddy, come this time and see your face. Yeah.
The carpenter. It's my workshop.
So this is my daddy workshop. Yes, the factory. So here is one of our big engine that they used to plane. So this is one of the big factory. This is one of the cutting machine. And my daddy's boys, little boys, and the big engine over here. We have two big engine over here. Lifter. Okay, my dad just correct me. It's called lifter. So two big one over here. Just showroom, working. A lot of things working up over here. And some of the doors, like I said, this is factory. My daddy produce doors. Understand? Has doors. I don't know. I will show you guys in detail next time. So I'm just showing you the intro first. So you see more next time, okay? My mom new machine. So daddy is testing it. Oh my god. How big is Samuel? My mom is there, so talk about my machine. My mom. New Shaka, brand new machine. What are the sound of man? Hey guys, so I forgot to mention my mom is a farmer, so she did farm work. So that is my auntie and my mom's cassava. They are just grinding it. So this boy, the woman still taking from house to house. So this are the quantity of cassava that want to grind. This after the grinding, and it's very smooth. Without removing cassava, this is direct. Without adding oil. So this one, doing nothing. So this is one they have added oil, and the ground this one for 500. So they have added oil in this one. That's what they're looking like this. So this is after mixing red oil with it, and when you are mixing, you have to mix. I don't know how I'm going to put that red oil mixing, as in how light you want your gari to be after it dry. You don't want it to the red oil to be too much. So that is why they are always adding. Understand? When they know that okay, this thing is not ready enough. Look at this quantity right now, like quantity of oil that she had, and now she's just mixing it together. That is my mom, by the way. I was doing my own part too. So you know I'm pregnant and I cannot bend and mix this thing together. So she said I will not even do it very well. I just have a video. Sorry about that. So you mix it together. You make sure that everything is well mixed together. Without having a mixer, or it could have been so much easy. Cassava work, farm work is hard. It's hard though. I can't lie to you. It's hard. It's used to them. That's why. So after everything, you pack it in a sack bag like this. Then you make sure that the starch to come out from it. The ones that can come out from it. Understand? You want it to be dried before frying. So this is what they are doing right now. They just leave it to settle down a bit, like 5 minutes before they add it to it. So this is what we dry the cassava. We call it press over here, to just press or something that can just press the starch out of the cassava. So I just show you this process. So these are the ones we have done so far. This is how far we have gone. Understand? So I'm still going to show you the starch water. Okay, so look at the starch water that is coming out from it. So this actually real starch, that's the original starch. It's not already made. Okay, so that's it. So I'm trying to show you my stressful working phase, like I was doing. I don't have to do it because mom says I'm not to say that I'm being too lazy. Like the way I'm being lazy, it's not good for me. It's not good for the actor. I can't really get it. That's what they say. Okay. So I don't know what to say. Look at my elder sister going to tell me over there. What my mom is doing right now is doing the press, like I said. So this is a manual press, understand, to drill the starch away to make the cassava dry. So you have to leave it. This will last. After this, you have to be doing it when it's loose, you tighten it. When it's loose, you tighten it. Like for not 30 minutes something, no. You do it and rest. Like it lasts for 12 hours. You have to leave it like that for 12 hours. Understand? But don't be too harsh on it. I don't know, Sha. Maybe I'll make a separate video on how to press carry or how to press cassava. I don't know. So these are what they are doing right now. Because in our community, there is a particular place they used to carry all the good cassava to before, and they will press and they will pay. You pay them. But I don't know. There's one leader in our community that banned that stuff. So after the thing have dried up, this is the next day. So we filter it, then we'll start frying. So these are fry pan, understand? And you don't need too much fire. So look at the wood they are using to just fry the gari. I'm just showing you, look at the ones they are frying. Can't you see how beautiful it looks like? This natural natural. We have not filtered it, so we will filter it again around the restaurant. And like I said, it's not me that's frying, it's mommy that's frying. I'm supposed to fry, but it do affect my eye. The smoke after frying, I will not be seeing again. I don't know. So that is why I don't like frying gari. I hate it so much. I prefer paying someone to just help me to fry it. But mom, I don't know. I always say there is no one to help me, there's no one to help. You don't want anybody to just stress her out. That is why she's doing it by herself. We're supposed to do it when my sisters are around. They always help to do it, but me, I'm pregnant. So guys, I have something to say. Something very ridiculous happened this morning, and I just let me show you to you guys. A man of 102 years died, and is an idol worshiper. It pains me so much that he didn't even get the chance to give his life to Christ before even dying. 102 years. So they were burying the man this morning. Today is the burial. Normally, I don't know how all those idol worshippers do their burial. So let me show you what they did to my brother's bush bar. Let me just show you what they did. These people did to my brother's bush bar. They were just passing by you, carrying the corpse to pass by you, not knowing that any plantain they see, they will just cut it down, just like that. As in, just like that. They get lost in not be my own child because they for pay. They for pay because But nevertheless, let me show you guys, Sha. Let me show you what these people do. You see this plantain here? Sorry. See this plantain here? They just fold this full plantain. See, they just come here, cut the plantain like that. And this very plantain is connected to this place. Understand? They just cut the plantain out like that. That means my brother cannot even put another plantain here. So she cannot plant another plantain here that will grow to this extent now, because you have to remove it from the bottom. This is what they did. They cut all these ones out. See that one? They cut it out. So, see the other big one, safe. This other big one. See, these people, see this one. They just cut this one out like that, just like that. See, person business place, so not that he have fence, so the fence is round. See plantain everywhere. See, not that you see it fence everywhere. It's not even it didn't even open it. It was fence. They just enter inside from the entrance. I think it's not the main road though. Look at the main road over there. There's nothing in that main road. They just come and fall all this plantain. Someone's business, somebody's business. They just come and destroy things. As if they have beef, as if we have problem. And the worst part, see all this plantain. See this one. They cut this one down. They cut this one down. They cut this one down. Just destroy the beauty of this place. This place was very beautiful. Now they just cut it down. People that want to come and relax during the afternoon, now the sun will be reflecting there. I was in there. It's just not making sense again. Just imagine that it's not just making sense again. Nevertheless, all those people, they are very, very wicked. Really, really wicked. I'll talk to you guys later. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fix Dominic. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm in my family house again. So sorry if you're hearing sound of bike and some noise in the background. Our house is close to the roadside, so that is why. And I don't know for in your side, over here we are trying to exchange the old currency. So like the old 1,000 naira note, the old 500 naira note, the old 200 naira note. So changing it is kind of crazy over here because they accept to take it, and we are, like we say, we always wait to the last moment. And Monday is public holiday, so today, Friday, we have only today to just change all the ones we have left. So I don't know, I'm going to kind of go to my place, look for a POS guy, because all the old POS over here stopped taking the old currency. So I can't stand in the queue in bank because it's so crazy. Like the queue over there, it's not what you want to stand on. So I'm going to discuss with one guy, so one POS guy who add charges, then I'll give him the cash, then it will transfer to us. So that's all. That is my plan for today. One thing I don't like coming to this Owolobo is that eating breakfast in the morning is like they eat their breakfast around 11, sometimes 10 o'clock, sometimes as in breakfast though around 11, 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Time is after 9, after 8 right now, and breakfast is not ready. It's not that there's no food in the house, but they will just while away the whole time before they will eat breakfast. I don't know, shall see, I don't really know. It makes me kind of really angry. But in another way, I'm weighing 80 kg and my weight right now is kind of high, but my heavy is 33%. So I just want to be limiting the food I'm eating, then eat healthy something that will boost my blood, not something that will give me weight. Okay, so that is the most reason why I'm even here in Owolobo to just work on that. So I don't blame them when they don't want to eat in the morning. I don't have a choice. Oh, small meat. I don't even know what mommy is doing with this little meat over here. But are you seeing the way this thing is looking like? Oh my god. So guys, I wake up this morning, I saw something in my belly, like stretch mark. Man, I hate I hate stretch mark, and I'm seeing stretch mark all over this place. I'm seeing it all over this place. It was actually inching me which day. My stomach was inching me the day before yesterday, and I refused to scratch it because I know I've watched YouTube video that say that when it's inching you should not scratch, you should not scratch it. So I was just tapping on it, but now I'm seeing stretch mark. Please help me. What can I use? Moms, please, just tell me what to buy. I don't have money to buy expensive thing. I don't want anything that will affect me. Just tell me what to use. What would, oh, my stomach to be scatter with stretch mark, or after giving birth now I'll have big stretch mark on my tummy, or will it go, will it disappear? I'm scared. I don't want it. I don't like it at all. I hate stretch mark. Like, I'm not the type that always open my tummy down, but please, I want to love my body, even though I'm not that beautiful. I just want to love my body, and stretch mark is no, no, no in my body. No, it's not permitted. And please tell me the best baby cream that is affordable, that is really, really good, like baby cream. Please just tell me where I can buy it, and the name or the brand. I'm confused. Like, I'm confused because I'll ask this one, they will tell me I'm confused. I just need the best baby cream that will make my, even though my baby's dark in complexion, it will still be beautiful, or it will still be handsome, even though it's light in complexion, like best baby cream. And secondly, what can I use after giving birth that will make me to have that snatch tummy, that flat tummy? Because flat tummy is one of my god. I hate big tummy. I hate it so, so much. So I don't want it. And secondly, like, I've not been online for how many days now. I'm trying to go back to my store, trying to reopen my store is one of my goals this year, and it's still on that process. On Monday, last week I could not even upload video. I was tired. I don't know. I was just kind of emotionally down, and if I'm emotionally down, I can't make video. Video is no, no, no to me. If I'm emotionally down, I was just kind of stressed at, and I just gave myself a break. That faith, no, I need rest. My siblings was around. I could have made video with them, but I just enjoy the company alone. Like, I just enjoy the company they give to me. And then when they have gone, or Sunday, or Monday, I supposed to make video, but I went to the clinic. I was having an appointment, so I went there. Getting back, I supposed to make video today. A neighbor died. Young boy of 23 years just died just like that yesterday after taking injection. A nurse, he's a diabetic patient. Not, it was not sickle. He was having a sore in his leg, and after taking the injection, the guy just collapsed and died like that instantly. So it breaks me. I could not even pick up my camera, but when I noticed this thing in my belly, I said no, I need to just beg anybody that knows about this thing to just help me out, help your girl out, help me out, tell me what to use, tell me what to use now, or should I wait till later, or should I just leave it? I need advice. See, I need advice. Don't insult me, but give me advice. Just say anything that can help me, please, please. Look at the way I'm looking. You can see I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed. So stressed. Jennifer asked me to be taking a walk, doing exercise anytime I'm feeling stressed. So I don't know. I'll be waiting to 5, then go and get fuel from the filling station. I'll trek down. It's like 20 minutes walk. That means no, 15 minutes walk. But I'll take mine for 20 minutes walk. Going and coming, 40 minutes walk. Then I'll come back, put on the gel and relax. Today is gone. Okay, bye.